Good morning guys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm doing another Lego video. Yes, I'm doing another Lego video. As I said in my last one, if you're not a fan of Lego, then just skip these videos, just don't bother watching them. But if you are a fan of Lego, then stick around. So I've got another box, I've got another parcel. So let's have a look what is in this one. So I've already opened it, as you can see, but it was just stuck down at the outer edges. Open it up and let's see what we've got. We've got, first of all, another gift with purchase. Now this one is a special one for Christmas. It's another limited edition ballerina and nutcracker scene. I'm not really bothered about the ballerina bit, it's a little bit girly, but it's got a cool little Christmas tree and it's completely free. So it's another little gift with purchase. Because of spending more than 100, I think you had to spend 135, I think, to get it. And the set that's in here, which I'm just going to unbox, was less than that. So I bought a second one, which pushed it just above the bracket to be able to get this for free. The other one's not come yet. The other one I mentioned in my last video is the Red Bull Racing, the small one, the mini champs. What am I on about? The super. I forgot what they call it. The Super Champs one. The Speed Champions. How thick am I? The Speed Champions. Red Bull Racing. They'll be about that big. It'll be like the Speed Champions Mustang and the Fast and Furious Skyline, which I've got over there, which you can't see. I don't know why I'm pointing, you can't see. But yeah, this is the set that I mentioned in the last video. This is the Jaws set. So I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Jaws set. So this is how it has come. So this is literally me unboxing it for the first time. One thing I've noticed these days is they do seem to really pack these up really well when you order them directly from Lego Online. You only get a box this big because they've also had to squeeze in the gift with purchase. That's why the box is as big as it is. So we get this one out and we shift that over to the side, over there somewhere. And here we go. So looks like I just need to split the tape and I ain't got a knife with me. So I'll just pause the video 1 sec and I'll get a knife. Welcome back. So I've got a knife, so let's just carefully cut the tape there and there. Is there anywhere else I need to split? No, I think that's it. Then the whole box just opens up like this. Woohoo! And there we have it. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's just shove that box over to the side with the other one down there. And here we have it, guys. Would you feast your eyes on that? Look at that. Jaws, Lego Ideas. What a set it is. So it's Lego Ideas number 58. Actual set number is 21350, and it's one of these ranges of Lego which is the 18 plus sets. And this is what I say about Lego these days, they really do cater to adults. You know, this is designed, well, like it says, it's an 18 plus set, so it's not designed for kids. It's designed for people like me who were born in the 70s, grew up in the 80s. You know, Jaws was one of the biggest films around. At the time, I remember seeing Jaws when I was very young and subsequently having lots of nightmares about sharks throughout most of my childhood. has a side effect, but because of that, Jaws is very close to my heart. I love the movies. Like I mentioned in the last video, you watch the original Jaws movies now and the animatronics of the shark were a little bit, you know, yeah, they were of the time. But that's one of the reasons, I don't know if people realise, but one of the reasons that they used the barrels so much throughout the making of the film is because the mechanical shark actually suffered that many breakdowns, and it just didn't work so much of the movie while they were filming, that they used the barrels, and the fact that the barrels pop up out of the water to illustrate that the shark is there without actually having to show the model of the shark. And that was actually because the real shark, they called it Bruce, the mechanical shark, failed so many times. It was just constantly breaking down all the time. So that's why they actually used the barrels, because, and I think that actually worked really, really well. You know, not physically seeing it as much as you did made the film more suspenseful. I think that's one of the things that just made it more suspenseful. But you look on at the back of the box and you can see basically you've got the orca itself, the main boat. You've got Bruce, the shark. But you can build it in two different ways. You can have the shark on the pedestal, but you can also build it so it's like a diorama with it on the base with the sea and the shark jumping up out of the sea, just about to land on the back of the orca. And obviously that's where Quint ended up ultimately sliding down the back of the boat into the shark's mouth and getting eaten, which was quite ironic to say that he was the shark hunter who wanted to go out and hunt the shark in the first place. But yeah, it's really brilliant. Obviously, you've got the other characters. You've got Hooper, and you've got the famous sheriff. And yeah, absolutely brilliant. It's quite a big model as well when you see the dimensions. 23 inches, so nearly 2 feet long from start to finish when you build it on the platform. And you can see how the shark splits into two. So it splits into two so that it looks like it's jumping out of the water, or you can attach the tail and have it on the stand like that. So yeah, so you've got the Lego figures. So yeah, Chief Brody, Quint, and Hooper. Excellent stuff. So I can't wait to build this. I don't know whether to build this first or to build my my other big Lego ship, the Endurance, which I showed you in the last video. I don't know which to build first. I'm tempted to build this first, but I don't know. I don't know. But I'm going to do some videos on this and the Endurance, and I might even do the odd little video on the gift with purchases, because I have actually built the gift with purchase that I got the other day. In fact, I'll show it you while I'm just doing this video. Right back with you, just 1 second. I'll just go and grab it from over here. I probably should have just paused the video, but this is the gift we purchased that I showed you the other day, the little train. So I built it, and it's a brilliant little model, fantastic just to have on display at this time of year. So you've got the various presents, you've got the Christmas tree, you got the steam train, and it is brilliant. It's just a very, very nice little build. So yeah, I've got that sat over on my windowsill for Christmas. So I might build this actually first, because with it coming up to Christmas, you know, we're in December. I'm pleased that this came before Christmas, so it's really, really good. So I might actually build that and have that on display. Because I haven't actually got a Christmas tree up yet, even though it's only a few days to Christmas. Yeah, so there you go, guys. So if you like this kind of content, unboxing of Lego and building of Lego sets, then stick around to the channel. It's not my main content. My main content is my old retro cars. That's what I do mostly on this channel. But if you're interested in seeing stuff like this, then please do like, browse, subscribe, and stick around. My Lego videos I've done in the past have not had that many views, and that's probably why I've not done that many Lego videos. But if these videos start to get more views, I might actually do a completely separate channel just for Lego, because a lot of the Lego channels out there are very, very popular and get a lot of people viewing them. So I am tempted to do a second channel all about Lego, because I've got loads of old retro sets as well, you know, going back to the 80s. I've got some Lego going back to the 1960s, which is stuff that I inherited over the years. Some that were my dad's. I've got you know, some that were just stuff my grandma used to pick up from jumble sales and all sorts of stuff. So I've got some really old Lego as well. So there we go, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. And I can put my teeth back in and speak properly. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in your next one. Thanks, guys. Laters.